Namaste to all and welcome to Revive Nutrition. Do you experience itching sensation in your skin during the winter season, especially in the lower part of your arms, your legs, your abdomen area? Well, I am the one person who really needs to take a lot of care in the winter season because my skin is personally dry and in the winter it turns havoc. This is because of the dry weather. When the humidity level drops, the dry weather, cold weather causes the loss of water from the skin, which results in dry skin and itching. So in the last video, we discussed how we can take care of our hair during the winter season. So in this video, we'll be understanding how we can get rid of the dry skin during the winter season. Number one tip is coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil is all-rounder. We all know that, right? The saturated fat present in the coconut oil actually soothes your skin. It naturally moisturizes your skin and it improves your skin hydration. So what you need to do is you need to apply coconut oil, preferably the cold pressed coconut oil, over your entire body, maybe once or twice a day. So maybe after your shower and one before going to the bed. That will really keep your skin smooth, supple and hydrated. Number two is oatmeal bath. We all know how oats are good for our health. Oats are rich in antioxidants. Oats helps to reduce the inflammation, it soothes your skin and moisturizes your skin. So what you need to do is you need to take oats, 1 cup of oats, grind it into a powder form, and then you need to mix that in a tub of water, and then you need to soak yourself. So if you have a bathtub or something, you can take a warm water, mix oats in that, and then you need to soak yourself in that for about 15 to 20 minutes. And if bathtub is not possible, especially in Mumbai, what you can do is you can make a paste, like you mix the oats powder with a little bit of warm water, make a paste of that and apply it over your entire body. And keep it for about 7 to 10 minutes and then you take shower. This will really help you to hydrate and moisturize your skin and avoid that itching sensation. Number 3 is aloe vera. We all know how aloe vera is good for human health. Aloe vera helps to reduce or fill up the rough patches of the dry skin. So it really helps you to hydrate and moisturize your skin. But if you use aloe vera with a little bit of oil, like a coconut oil or a olive oil or a jojoba oil, that will enhance the effect of the aloe vera. So you need to take a little bit of aloe vera, mix about 1 or 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, olive oil or jojoba oil, and then you apply it over your dry area or over the entire body. Keep it for about 7 to 10 minutes and then you can wash it off with water. Number 4 is honey. Honey is anti-inflammatory in nature. Its healing and moisturizing properties actually helps you to soothe your skin during the winter season. So you can apply honey directly on the affected part. So if you have any particular part of the skin which is more itchy or giving you irritation, you can apply honey. Keep it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then wash it off with water. That will really help. And the number 5 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, the acetic acid present in the apple cider vinegar acts as a natural wound healer and disinfectant. It moisturizes your skin and avoids that itching sensation or skin irritation. So what you need to do is you need to take 1 part of apple cider vinegar and 2 parts of water. Mix it in the water very well and then you take a bath with that water. That will help you to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So these are the simple 5 tips which can really help you to get rid of the dry skin during the winter season. So you need to actually invest in your skin because that is going to be there with you for lifetime, right? Skin is the largest organ in the body and you need to really take care of it. So get your beautiful glowing skin this winter with these healthy, handy tips. And if you have any questions regarding these, please post in the comment box. Till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough and sleep deep. Thank you so much. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right away and hit the bell icon. Thank you.